Hi everybody, this is Ms. Hogan and I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to hyperlink PowerPoint slides together. What I've done here to kind of set things up is create a dummy slideshow with a few slides in it. From the home page, you could have a menu of slides you wanted to access from your PowerPoint. I've done a couple things here. This particular graphic is using, I went to Insert and Word Art and chose one of the graphics there to create the word slide 1. This one that is red, I simply inserted a text box and changed the font and size, color, and things like that. I did that intentionally 2 different ways to show you that you can link either kind, word art or a text box. Okay? So once you have your slides created, then you can link them together. So it is important that you have everything set up ahead of time and then do the linking part at the end. The other thing that you need on the slides, you need to navigate from the home page to the slides you want to see. And then once you are on each slide, you want the ability to navigate back home to the home page, right? You want to be able to click on something here that takes you home. So in this case, I have 4 different examples of options that you could use to indicate that you click here to go home. This one is simply a text box. This one that says main menu is word art. This is a little home piece of clip art. And this is an author's picture. So I could create a button out of any of these items and direct it to go home. Okay? So how do I do that? From the home page, if I want to create a link from the words slide 1 here, I'm going to click on slide 1 and I see that around the edge are little tiny dots of lines. So I'm going to click on that edge so it becomes solid. So that means the whole component here will be linked. And then I'm using the insert ribbon up here at the top. And I'm going to move over till I see the word hyperlink. And when I do that, it'll probably pop up to existing file or web page right here. And you just want to select instead the button that says place in this document. In other words, you're going to create a hyperlink to a place in the document. And when I do that, I get a list of slides here that I can link to. Okay? So from the home page, I want to link to slide 1. So I'm going to say OK. I'm going to click over here. Notice that I have little tiny dots. So I'm going to click on it so it's a solid line. I'm going to go back up to hyperlink. And I'm going to click on slide 2. I'm going to say OK. From this side, I'm going to click and I need to go home. So I can choose any of these choices. You wouldn't need all 4. You would just need one. I'm going to use the picture of the author. And it works the same way. So I select the picture of the author, and I'm going to click on hyperlink, and I want that to go back to my home page. So I'm going to make sure that is selected, and I'm going to say OK. Once I select this one and make it work, watch what I can do. I don't have to do that over and over again. I can simply copy that button that's now a hyperlink, click on my slide 2. I can right click, and the first one says use destination theme, and that will put the button in the exact same location on every slide that you want it to go on. And I think it's important that you have your home button is located in the same place in each slide so that your viewer knows where to look to click back. Okay? To test out that my slides hyperlinks are working properly, you actually have to view the slideshow. So I'm going to go to slideshow. I'll start from the beginning and double check that my links work. So I can say slide 1, and then I made this a link so it should go home. Slide 2 is a link, and this is a link, and it should go home. And it indeed does work. That should do it for hyperlinking slides. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks and have a great day.